Hello everyone, welcome to the airdrop series where we will claim lot of airdrops and farm them, and I'm going to show you how you can hit multiple airdrops at the same time. And we can start with Owlto Finance. I will put the link in the description, so you can support by using my referral link. What you can do now, you can go to Owlto Finance and bridge to scroll or bridge from scroll, and what you can do, you can choose Taiko, which is also giving an airdrop soon. And the more transactions you make on Taiko, the more points you will earn, and the more points you have, it will lead to a better airdrop. So if you make transactions on Taiko and scroll, it will be counted as marks and in the scroll, and it counts how many transactions you have been doing on scroll, how much gas has been spent. You can see here, and I have earned 187 marks from gas spent on scroll. You can do more by simply going to Owlto Finance and bridging from scroll and to scroll from Taiko. So you will hit multiple airdrops at the same time. Yes. So guys, next thing I wanted to talk about was CVEX Airdrop. So what you need to do, go to the testnet.cvex.trade. I will put the link in the description. And what you can try to make some trades, and it's a trading platform basically, which is you can buy different cryptocurrencies here and exchange them and make trades like how you do on stock market. And for testnet, you need to basically use your MetaMask wallet. I am using my MetaMask wallet. You can use any other EVM wallet you have, and just start trading and do basic tasks that they say it in the Galaxy Quest here. I will put the link in the description as well, and they suggest you to do all these things, and it will give you oat. That will be really helpful for the airdrop. The more points you score here by making trades, the better chances you have for going for the airdrop or getting a bigger airdrop allocation. So in my case, I have earned these badges now by making different kind of trades and so on. So there are 3 or 4 different type of badges: epic, legendary, rare, and common. And I think I have hit mostly rare and common, which is also good enough. And I will share a video guide also how to do it. And you can also see your rank in the leaderboard, which is basically, for me, it's 5,000. And I will put the video guide to do it, so that you can rank up higher the more trades you make. So guys, next thing, let's talk about the ZK Sync airdrop. As you know, in the airdrop allocation, they took care for the people who were owning this Libertas Omnibus NFT, and they gave a good allocation to those who were holding the NFT. So I wanted to let you know, for Berra chain airdrop as well, there are NFTs to mint on Zora, and I will put the link in the description so that you can mint it and be eligible for Berra chain airdrop as well. And similarly, you have one for Zora itself, and it's their official handle on Zora. So go and mint it, and I will put the link in the description.